Okay, good afternoon. I want to welcome all of you to the first Mexico Silicon Valley Forum, hosted together by 4 different organizations. And as many of you know that I live in Austin, Texas primarily. I had a chance to make lots of friends in Mexico, and we figured out that Mexico is the largest trading partner for America last year. And there are lots of very exciting opportunities between Mexico and the USA. That's why we put together this group of events. So I'm going to like our co-host to welcome you to this special event. Sean.
Well, thanks very much, David. Welcome, everybody. David and I have known each other for a long time in the startup world. He was doing Asian things, especially before. We've kind of lost you a little bit to Texas, but not entirely. He still comes back here.
Yeah, I'm glad to be back.
But you've got the hat.
Yes.
Anyway, we started to talk about this program after David went to Texas, and it really felt like a great opportunity to talk about Mexico and Silicon Valley, because it feels like Mexico is growing so much in importance, and Silicon Valley is kind of a blink of an eye. There's so many possible connections. So this is a great opportunity, we feel, to discuss those possibilities. Thank you so much for being here, and we'll have a lot to talk about tonight.
Gusto saludarlos a todos. Bienvenidos. Gracias por venir. Thank you so much for coming. Representing today here in Monterrey, the biggest and most important investment, entrepreneurship, and innovation platform from Mexico. And thank you so much, David, for putting this together. The hat actually is not from Texas; it's from Monterrey. So this was a little gift he received from the governor. And as we all know, David is a great promoter, and especially now with the Mexico-US integration, where I think we should put together the most important and the most competitive region in the world.
Wow, you guys are tough acts to follow. So hi, my name is Roger Rappoport. I'm a lawyer. I'm kidding. That was not a point.
You know what? I want to add one more thing. You enjoy the Mexican food today?
Yeah.
It's paid by Roger and his team. Let's give a big round of applause.
Okay, to that point, COO Kyle Day is at the back here, so I have to pay for dinner. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Snell Wilmer. It's a full-service law firm, more than 550 lawyers across more than 16 offices across the U.S. and offices in Mexico City. The office that I'm looking forward to, in Mexico, the office I'm looking forward to going to is Los Cabos. That's definitely on my list. Just for business development purposes, obviously, not for any other.
Well, come on, you got to go fishing.
Exactly.
You got to go fishing.
But I was very happy to work with David on this event. We work together a lot on emerging companies, but I have a lot of companies and clients in Latam, Mexico City, Monterrey, and it's amazing how much further it seems like my Latam clients get on so much less. And when they ultimately come into the US, funding is typically pretty easy because they've gotten so much more traction by the time they actually come into the US. And how things have changed before, when they got funded in the US, the C-suite had to move to the US, they could leave the developers in Latam. And that whole paradigm has changed where investors now are very happy to have the whole team be in Mexico City or Monterrey or Bogota. So I'm so happy to see everybody tonight, to be a part of this, and really strengthening the US-Mexican ties, relationships, and growth potential for both Mexican companies coming this way and Silicon Valley and US companies going the other way. So thank you, David, for putting it on, and thank you all for coming.
Okay, great. So I do want to emphasize that this is my first time to bring Texas, Austin together in Silicon Valley and Monterey, New Orleans, and many other organizations from Mexico to join this together for this particular event. My friend Rebecca be here. She's a big promoter for this event as well. Rebecca from Second Global. Let's give a big round of applause to our co-hosts, partners, sponsors, and promoters. Thank you. Thank you.